Hi kindergarten, welcome back to phonics today. We are going to review some of our special sounds, just some of them, not all of them. And then we're going to do a paragraph reading slash marking special sounds and our vowel sounds. So here we go. Y says I. Full. Pull, st, th, or th, k, e. At the end of a short sound, e at the end of a short word says e. Skr, cur, gur, stir. You have to scrunch your nose up when you say those to say them right. Not really, but I thought it'd be funny. All right, so for our paragraph, I'm going to get the big whiteboard over here, and we'll put you down to it. Go ahead and get a piece of paper and copy this. Pause it and copy it so that you can mark the sounds and then double check them with me. So go ahead and pause, and then we'll come back and do this together. All right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and start with our first sentence. We will mark all the special sounds and vowels, and then we will read it. So, first word, no special sounds. Did. Tom. Full and I. Fly. The. Pull. An. Plane. Did Tom fly the plane? I forgot this special sound. The. Plane. No. E as in me. He did not. No! Exclamation point. Make that very excited since it's an exclamation point. No! He did not. Did. E. He. Sail. The. Boat. Did he sail the boat? No. Yes. He did. Yes, he did. And then down here, see him. Stop at the dock. That can be done as different words. I typically leave it blank because it's a sight word and I just want them to know it on sight. If you are saying the as in like the, you would mark it as an E. Or you can say it as the, like old-fashioned the, and it would be two special sounds. So I am very lenient on the way the children do that. Most of the time I do not mark it like this one because most kids do not say the, they say the. Let's read our story all together. Did Tom fly the plane? No, he did not. Did he sail the boat? Yes, he did. See him stop at the dock. All right, good job, kindergarten. Where you at? We will talk to you later. Bye.